Hello folks, guess who? It's Eddie at Alfaman and the same Spider. So if you come a little bit closer, the boot catch on the key doesn't work. And the reason? The loom is buggered. So come and have a look here. I have opened, come round here. I have opened the hatch with the boot shut. I have taken the trim off. I have disconnected the cable from inside the trim. I've pulled it out. Now, look at the mess. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wires, and not one of them is in good nick. And they've probably been shorting, arcing, I don't know what they've been doing, but they certainly aren't working. So now I'm going to repair all these wires and then put it all back, wrapping it with tape and putting it back, and hopefully everything will work. So it's Eddie at Alfaman, hoping you're all well, hoping you stay well. I would like to stay well. At my age, I don't want to get ill or sick. So wear a mask, not because you don't want the virus, because I think you're all ugly bastards.